Hello to all my sweet little children. You're here with us today for another DP Kids Crafts and Arts section. Now today what I'm going to do with you is this. What is it? It's a candle holder. Something to hold the candle in. That's a candle holder using origami. I know you will also like to make it, so you will have to use a big piece of paper which is bigger than what we usually make, because then it will be too small for us. So I'm using a very big, a 25 into 25 centimeter piece of paper is what I'm using today, right? Okay. So now, if you want, you can make it with me by bringing a big piece of paper. Come quickly. Okay, let's start and see. Now fold the paper in half, just like on the other days. Open it up and fold it again to make a rectangular shape. Then fold it again to the other side so that you get a triangular shape. Then fold it again so that you get another triangular shape. Open it up, and from that big square we have made 4 small squares. Press down on these lines, folding lines. Now the upper flap has to be folded in like this, and this flap should also be folded in like this. Do the same thing on the other side. Now open it up like this and bring it in so that the edge goes and sits on top of the middle line. You will have to press hard to make sure that the lines are visible and that you can work with them. Now push that so that the corner edge comes and sits on top of the middle line. Do the same thing on the other side. Now open it up. So now all 4 sides need to be folded in like that. Okay? If it feels as if it's going to crumple, you can press it down harder. You can use a scissor or a pencil to make sure the corner looks neat and tidy. Now let's cut this off. Okay, then fold this flap in like this. And the other flap, do the same thing here. Flip it over, do the same thing to the 2 flaps on top. Then open it up like this. Press down on the middle and do the same thing you did to the other 2 sides here. Do the same thing on the last side. Now slowly open it up a bit. Now take one of these edges here, fold in lines. There are 2 triangles on either side, so I want you to press down in from that folding line. It's not a new line, remember that. It's the old one which you have used to create the candle stand. So fold in every piece that is sticking out near the middle lines of this basic shape. Then fold it in like this. Open this. Now I have forgotten to fold this place, so I'm going to do it now. I hope you all won't forget it like that. Now all the parts we need to be able to fold like this. Now if there are any lines of edges that are not straight, you have to fix those now. Now this is how you get the basic shape of the candle holder. If it's a very thick candle, you can have a shorter base by making this, folding this more. If you have a longer, thinner candle, you can have a longer candle holder by not folding it too much. Now slowly open it up. Now keep your hand in like this and slowly open it up. Then it will look nice, so that it looks like a flower here. So I want you to press on all the edges, and now turn it around and see. What do you have? You have a candle holder. See how beautiful it looks and how useful. Now it's hard, I know, at first, but you can do it. Watch the video again and again and do it and give it to your parents, or you can use it as something else, even as a flower vase or a flower basket. So you can try all this at home, and we'll bring more and more of this in the future. Stay safe then. Goodbye.